The Prime Minister of the Federal Government of Somalia, Hamza Abdi Barre, held a meeting last night in the city of Las Anod with traditional elders from SSC Khartoum areas. According to the Prime Minister's office, the discussion focused on strength and unity, promoting the peace process, reconciliation, and national stability. The Prime Minister also listened to valuable advice from the elders on rebuilding the country and how to implement government institutions in the SSC Khartoum regions to deliver essential public services. This meeting with elders comes shortly after the Prime Minister's historic visit to Las Anod, the capital of Sol region. It marks the first time a Somali Prime Minister has visited the area and the highest-ranking federal official to do so in over 40 years. The traditional elders were the first to declare the formation of the current SSC Khartoum administration, which was officially established in October 2023. It remains a traditional administration that has been recognized by the federal government of Somalia.